How's guys, Franco, host of the Catch and Release Fishing channel. I'll be giving you guys a video today about some multi-species angling, guys. Just gonna be like over a week's time, guys, multi-species fishing that I've been doing. Stay tuned, hope you guys enjoy the video. Yo guys, things you don't see when you stay at home. I almost caught him there. It's getting cross now. Fish on, guys, look there. Things you don't see when you stay at home, guys. Beautiful, guys. This is a red breast sunfish, first one I've ever caught in my life. Look here. I don't know if you guys saw that on camera. This is the first one. I think this is a little sunfish, guys. Yeah, this is a little sunfish. I'm not exactly sure which type of sunfish. Look at that, guys. First one ever that I've caught. Beautiful, guys. Look there. Look at those colors. It's a bit bluish, purplish. It's got a purple with a little red dot, red eye. This is a beautiful fish, guys. Look at this little fish. I just intimidated him, guys, into biting. Look there, he's got tiny little teeth, if you guys can see there. Yo, guys, this is probably one of the prettiest fish that I've caught. Look at those colors, guys. Okay, we're gonna put him back quickly. We made him angry enough to attack the lure, guys. He wasn't going to eat it. I just bounced my lure around him. He was swimming around the lure. Then he just came up and he took it, guys. Put him back in the water here. Yes! Like, there he goes, guys. There we go, guys, fish on. Up, caught him. Look at that, guys, beautiful little pumpkin seed. Scored it here in the bottom. Just gonna wet my hand quickly before taking it. Beautiful little fish, guys, look at that. Put a tiny little jig head on here, 1 gram. Just gonna unhook him here quickly. There we go, guys, unhooked, beautiful little fish. Look at that. It's a little pumpkin seed, guys, for those of you who don't know. Very territorial, beautiful little fish. There we go, guys, we're just going to put him back quickly. Pop him back, nothing's going to happen to him. Boom, there he goes, guys. Beautiful fish. Fish on, guys, just caught a little perch here. On the little spinner. Inhaled it, guys, look at that. Off he goes, guys. That fish was fine. I was a little bit worried there for a while. See, guys, that's the problem with using small hooks like this. Always carry forceps, guys. If I didn't have this forceps here, I wouldn't have gotten that hook out now, guys. Always carry forceps, long nose, and small ones for small fish, guys. I was a bit worried, but he swam away just fine. So, fish, fish, what's up? Down at Etang St again today, guys, on my float tube. There's some perch hunting on the surface. So I've brought out this little popper, guys. It's a sea monster. Can't remember what the color is. It's a bit of a natural color. Wherever the perch are busy feeding, guys, I'm going to be throwing this popper in there. I already had 2 takes just off to my right over there. So hopefully we'll catch a fish, guys. Stay tuned. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Just took me right on the surface. With my hand. Look at that, guys. On the popper. Beautiful little fish, guys. Took me right on the surface. And hook him quickly. Get a beautiful little release for you guys. Off he goes, guys. Just casted my lure, guys, right over there. In between those sticks. He just came up. Bim. 2 pops and he took me, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys, fish on. I have another fish on here. Foul looked again. He just attacked the lure. Look there. Beautiful, guys. Got that one on camera for you guys. Just came up right to the top and took it, guys. Okay, this one's a bit foul looked. Okay, there we go. Got the first one out. Second one. Okay, I'm gonna use my pliers again. It's the easiest. Always take a pliers with you guys. Much easier to apply pressure. There you go. He just shook himself loose. There we go. On the little popper again, guys. Just came up and took it. Beautiful little perch. It's about the same size as the other one. Look there. Beautiful, guys. We're just going to release him quickly. Look at those colors. Beautiful colors, guys. I find it that in the Etang St the fish are beautiful, guys. Perch, beautiful colors. All the fish I've caught here, they had beautiful colors. Just going to do a little release here. It's breathing. Off he goes, guys. Fish on. Just caught a little perch, guys, right in front here. Just as they were attacking, I didn't have time to switch my camera on. I just casted my lure straight in the middle of them. Caught this beautiful specimen, guys. Still small. There's bigger ones here. Pop him back. Off he goes. Fish on, guys. I have a fish on here. Trying to get down. See that? There we go, guys. Beautiful little perch. Look at how beautiful he is, guys. Check there. Beautiful little fish. Okay, let's just pop him back. Up. Off he goes, guys. That's why they call them sunfish, guys, because they're always basking in the sun. Look there. You guys probably can't see it. I'm gonna point my rod down at it. It's like just there. It's behind that little orange dot in the water. This little black line, just there. Watch this. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. I'm just pulling on the line with my fingers, guys, to make the lure hop in front of his face. I think I've agitated him now. Now maybe. I've agitated him now. Maybe his mouth is too small. The hooks are out. Can't open his mouth. There we go. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Can you guys see? Did you guys see how I did that? Agitate the fish into biting, guys. Look at that beautiful little specimen. Look there. Look at those colors, guys. That's a pumpkin seed, guys. Okay, can tell because it's got a second little gill there, gill plate with a small little red dot, guys. This even might be a hybrid, I'm not exactly sure. Okay, I'm gonna put him back, guys. Beautiful little fish. Look there, guys. We're just gonna get that. Off he goes, guys. Full of energy. Just caught another little pumpkin seed, guys. Yes, I can't get it on the video for you guys. I got one on the video yesterday for you guys, how I did it. I'm gonna see if I can get it on this video again for you guys quickly. I'm just gonna rinse him off. Okay, off he goes, guys. Quick release. Okay, guys, there's thousands of little perch, baby perch, just hunting in this area here where there's lots of small fish. I'm gonna see if I can't pull a few of them out. I'm gonna try and get a bit closer here. You can see how they're hunting in front here. You can actually see them pushing the bait fish. Let's try and catch one or two of them if we can. Tiniest little inline spinner on here, guys. It's getting attacked the whole time. But I think their mouths are too small, they can't really get hold of it. Watch. Here they come again, guys, watch. I'm gonna pull my lure straight past them here, watch. Can you guys see how they're attacking all these small fish here? Okay, guys, look at this. I'm gonna unhook him quickly. Shame. This is a little perch, guys. Oh, mas. Almost dropped him and lost him. Shame. Just gonna rinse him quickly so he doesn't die. He's so small, don't want him to die. Look, guys, that's a baby little perch. Can you guys see that? Tiny, guys. It's the smallest perch I've caught up to date. I would say it's about one thumb. Look there. It's as big as my thumb, guys. Okay, let's get him back quickly. Look at that, guys. Little release. It's still just there. just in front there. There he goes. Smallest perch I've caught in my life, guys. Okay guys, the same thing is now happening in this spot where I just stopped now. Moved a bit on. You guys can see right in front of me here. Just that little attack by a perch as well, just before I lifted my lure out. Let's see, let's cast one to that side there. Through all those bait fish, guys. I'm just casting right into all the bait fish because I can see all the bait fish swimming around here. What happened was, it's been really hot the last week or so. The water temperatures come up a lot, and it rained last night. Not for a long time, but it rained a lot. So all this silt, you guys can see there's like this green gunk here, all came down this because there's a small river on the top. This is like a Etang, and all the small fish are now feeding on this stuff, guys. So that's the reason why I have so many small fish here. I'm not going to stay too long, guys. I'm going to keep moving. I'm going to try and find the bigger ones. The fish on, guys. Tiny, but I've got a fish on here. Might be the second smallest one I've ever caught. Actually looks exactly the same size, guys. Look how small is this perch. Just came off by himself. That's a little perch, guys. Look at it. Can you guys see that? Look at those colors in the sun, guys. Can you guys see that? It hasn't fully developed yet. You can see stripes. Still gonna get a bit of red on the belly, orange on the bottom fin. Already has his little black dot there. Beautiful little fish, guys. Let's just release him here quickly. Just gonna do a quick release here in the front. There you go, and he's off. Fish on, guys. We have a fish on here. This is the perch that we're hunting here just now. Much better one, guys. Man, I need to wet my hand quickly. Always wet your hand, guys, before you pick up a fish. Up, hold still. Ah! This one's much prettier, guys. Bigger. Its colors have developed already. There we go. There we go. Beautiful little perch, guys. These are beautiful specimens here that they have. Look at how beautiful this fish is, guys. Look there. Look at that shine on him. Beautiful, guys. A little bit bigger than the other ones. I'm just going to pop him back in the water here for you guys. There you go. Off he goes, guys. So guys, calling it a day now. There's my alarm now, guys. I need to be off. Excuse me, let me just stop this quickly. I need to go to work, guys. I still need to deflate my flow tube, pack it away. Okay guys, till next time. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Tight lines, catch the fish.